What happened to the real preachers? What happened to the real preachers? God bless everybody. Hope y'all are doing well on this beautiful Wednesday afternoon as we give God the honor, the glory, and all the praise. My video title says, What happened to the real preachers? Y'all know a lot of times I like to come on here and do poems, share my poems that I wrote a while back with y'all. And I wrote this about maybe about 8 years ago called What Happened to the Real Preachers. Now, let me say this off top. Now, I don't want nobody to think that I'm talking about all preachers are bad in this video. No, as a matter of fact, we thank God and we giving a shout out to all the beautiful, wonderful ministers of the gospel, evangelists, people that's really doing things right according to God's will. We thank God for you. But there are some out here who have called themselves to preach. And when I wrote this a while back, I was going through so much with church. I was sick of the church. I mean, I'm not going to lie, my brothers and sisters. I was sick of people inside of the building. Let me say it like that. I was tired of preachers and prophets and evangelists and musicians, church folks, period. And I one night got my pen and I just started writing. And this came from my heart. And those of y'all, those that know me, y'all know I express myself in different ways. And then a lot of times I just write. So this one is called What Happened to the Real Preachers. Some of y'all gonna like it, some of y'all gonna hate it, but I figured I'd share this with y'all. What happened to the real preachers? There are so many preachers who care more now about how much money they're gonna get paid. But what happened to the preachers, the real preachers who preached against sin and was more concerned about your soul being saved? Now we got so many preachers that are talking about how much the church really need to grow. But those same preachers are forgetting about the lost ones and looking right over the poor. Now we got so many preachers against each other, a lot of them just don't even get along. And then we got the singing preacher, since he can't preach, he hoop and holler and sing songs. Now we got a lot of pastors and preachers crying and complaining about, I need a raise and I need to take a vacation. But I'm wondering in my mind a lot of times, have you told your congregation about salvation? What happened to the real preachers who would tell you to focus and stay alert? But now we got all this begging for money and politics all over the church. Nowadays, in most churches, we will allow anybody in the pulpit. Some are talking real while others are talking a lot of nonsense. So many preachers are so excited because, hey, y'all, it's offering time. Is that all you care about is offering time? Have you really lost your mind? Now preachers saying that now they done hired me in and then put me in this position. I got to get this church off the ground. Let me see. Now I need a musician. I need a musician who can play that organ and follow me real good on them keys so I can entertain the members and make them shout and fall to their knees. Is that all you care about is the music and begging for money and your choir members? If you keep going like you're going on and on, you won't have no congregation members. You keep doing what you're doing and thinking nothing gonna happen at all. Well, just keep thinking that and you ain't gonna have no church at all. Preachers now saying, I would preach the true word of God, but I don't want my members to leave. So I'd rather preach a feel-good message, keep them confused, but I still can't succeed. Because I gotta keep my job. This is my job, my occupation. That's why I preach what I want. I wouldn't dare open up the book of Revelation. Many false prophets went out into the world like the book of John teaches. I don't know about y'all, but JT gonna keep spreading this truth. I'm gonna keep on outreaching, trying my best to reach lost souls to people who don't know what to do. I can't preach a fake feel-good sermon message because the true word of God will save you. What happened to the real preachers? I know I stumbled through a little bit, y'all, but y'all know where I'm going with it. That came from the heart. What happened to the real preachers? God bless you.